Welcome to Augmented Technologies. I'm Jay, and if your MetaQuest won't connect to your PC or it connects once and then randomly fails, this video will show you exactly why and how to fix it. Most fixes online are outdated, incomplete, or in the wrong order. We're going to go step by step so you don't waste time guessing. We'll start with the fastest fix first. Then we'll move into Windows 11 settings, cables and power issues, and finally, how to tell whether the problem is your PC or the headset. Let's start with the number one cause, and it's not the headset. Alright, so the most common reason MetaQuest won't connect to a PC is the cable, even when it looks fine. The most common reason MetaQuest won't connect to a PC is the cable. Even when it looks fine, not all USB-C cables support data at the speed Quest needs. Many charging cables only deliver power. You need a USB 3.0 or higher data cable. If you're using a USB-A port, it must be blue or labeled SS. Front panel ports are especially unreliable. Plug directly into the motherboard on the back of the PC. Now here's a quick test. If your Quest charges but never appears in Windows or MetaQuest link, the cable is suspect. Swap the cable before charging anything else. Alright, so next, let's make sure the MetaQuest link software is installed and up to date on your PC. Windows detecting the headset doesn't mean Quest link is working. If the app doesn't see your headset, unplug it, close the app completely, reopen it, then reconnect. Also check that your headset firmware is up to date. Mismatched versions can break the connection. Alright, so Windows 11 adds extra security and power controls that quickly block VR devices. Check these: Device Manager, USB serial controllers, disable USB power savings. If Windows is allowed to turn off USB devices to save power, your Quest will randomly disconnect or never finish the handshake. Now, one mistake is AirLink interfacing with wired connections. If AirLink is enabled on the headset, but your network isn't ready, the Quest might ignore the cable entirely. Here's the fix: turn off the AirLink temporarily and confirm wired works first. Once wired is stable, then enable AirLink. Here's the fastest way to isolate the problem. Try the headset on another PC, or try another VR headset on your PC. Yeah, I know a lot of us don't have multiple headsets, but if you do, this is a quick way to do it. If Quest fails everywhere, it's the headset or the cable. If other headsets fail on your PC, it's drivers, USB controller, or Windows. If your Quest connects but performance is bad, stutters, or drops frames, the next video breaks down USB versus AirLink versus virtual desktop and which one actually works. I'm Jay for Augmented Technologies. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.